Happy New Year everyone, welcome in the new year 2023. Let's hope it's a good one this year. So to celebrate the new year guys, bring in 2023, I'm going to celebrate with a Don Julio Negroni. As I just love Don Julio, like I said, I can't say that enough, I just love the brand. Premium tequila, absolutely beautiful. So let's make a tequila version of a Negroni. So let's get straight into this, let's build it. So get your mixing glass guys, and put in the ingredients. So the first ingredient in the mixing glass, guys, is 0.75 ounce or 22.5 ml of a Don Julio Reposado. Next into the glass is half an ounce or 15 ml of Campari. It needs no introduction, this spirit. This is what makes a Negroni, the absolute bitterness of the Campari. You either love it or you hate it. It's like the Marmite. It's like the Marmite of the spirit world's Campari. And last ingredient is 0.25 ounce, which is 7.5 ml or quarter of an ounce of sweet vermouth. I'm using a Pornstar Martini. What we're going to do now is add our ice. And we'll just give it a stir now. 15-20 seconds, get nice and chilled, and then we'll put in a rocks glass with an ice cube. So the final thing to do now is get a giant ice cube and put in your rocks glass. There we go. Right, so get a strainer, put it over your mixing glass, and now just strain into your rocks glass. Beautiful, I'll just pull that back so you can see it fully. And that, my friends, is a Don Julio Negroni. Final thing to do now is just to garnish it with the orange slice. So I just rinse to get that nice aroma of the orange peel. Give it a little bit of a twist and then just dump it in. And as simple as that, one Don Julio Negroni. Absolutely fantastic. Easy as that, really simple to make, and it's an all-time classic. This is a tequila variation of the Negroni. There's only one thing to do now. How does it taste? Happy New Year everyone. How does the Don Julio Negroni taste? So with tequila, you get that beautiful herbal spices that comes up with it. And you just get the tasting note with the bitterness. It's really, really unique. It's a required taste. But I've got a bitter palate, so I love this drink. I absolutely love it. For me, I'd probably rate this 8.5 out of 10. You just can't beat the best, can you? You just cannot beat the best of base spirits at all. Just something about them, absolutely quality. But another thing that would make this better is if I had a little bit better version of the sweet vermouth, because that'd really complement this drink. It's no disrespect to Martini, but I think there's better sweet vermouths out there, which would really knock this up, probably maybe to a 9 out of 10. But that's absolutely beautiful. Fantastic. I don't think there's a better way to bring in the new year than with a Don Julio Negroni. If you like your Negronis, you'll like this. It's absolutely exquisite. It's absolutely beautiful, and I cannot recommend this drink highly enough. It's beautiful. Absolutely a beautiful bitter cocktail with the added spices with it from the tequila, from the Don Julio Reposado. It's beautiful. But that, guys, has been my Negroni. Happy New Year to you. I hope you're all having an awesome day, guys, and I hope it is a good one for every single person on this channel and everyone out there. But I've been MixedSid, as I will see you guys for my non-alcoholic series, as I will be changing it up. Just like last year, I made a few non-alcoholic more mocktails. As one I'm looking into at the minute is a mocktail version of the very, very popular Pornstar Martini. So I want to make a mocktail version of that, as I think I can pull it off. I think I've got the skill to pull that off, to substitute the vanilla vodka and the Pessoa, which I don't think it'll be too hard to replicate, especially with passion fruit syrup and with more vanilla extract with sparkling waters, as I'm thinking for a substitute for the vodka, sparkling waters. I think that will do the job. But I've been MixedSid. This has been my New Year's Day cocktail, which is the Don Julio Negroni. And if you enjoyed this content, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid. It really does help the channel grow. Or like, share and subscribe. It really does help it grow. Gives it algorithms. I can't say that enough. It does. But I will see you guys for my mocktails now. As hopefully it will be a passion fruit mocktail. As hopefully it will be the Pornstar Martini Mocktail. Cheers.